Hey YouTube, what's up? Say hey.
Okay,
We're here.
Hold it up higher.
We're here again. Hey. I'm thirsty. Can you fill this up with some water?
Sure. Why isn't the water working?
Forgot to pay the bill.
Sick.
Come over here. Come see my kitchen. Bam. Bam. It's Christmas. Where's Santa? Yay! Yay!
I'm so hungry. Ooh, looks like some fun candy.
Shout out to Charlotte, my #1 fan. Hey, it's Pink Polka Dot Sox 101 here, and I'm back in my studio, which is pretty sick. Ikea sequel, baby.
Oh, that was you.
Hey.